Student, this is my quotient rule of differential part 7. Here, logarithm function and trigonometric functions are taken together. So, I have to explain the concepts thoroughly. So, you please wait and listen. Okay, fine. Before learning the differential of trigonometric function, you should know the derivatives of trigonometric functions. One side I had written y, another side I had written dy by dx. Here, sin x differential is cos x is minus sin x, and tan x is secant square x, and cosecant x is minus cosecant x cot x, and cot x is minus cosecant square x. And you also know the derivatives of inverse function also. For this, sin inverse x is 1 by root of 1 minus x square, and cos inverse x is minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square, and tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square, and cot inverse x is minus 1 by 1 plus secant inverse x is 1 by x into 1 minus x square, and cosecant inverse x is minus 1 by x into 1 minus x square. For learning this, rules also very important in this. There are 5 types of rules available in this. First one, the rule of differentiating trigonometric function. What is the rule applied for trigonometric function? Differential of power into differential of base into differential of angle. Then after this, what we have to do? After this, what is available? The differential of how to differentiate the rules for differentiating algebraic function. So, what is the rule applied for algebraic functions? Differential of power into differential of base. And the third one is rules for differentiating exponential function. It is same function into differential of power. In fourth one, rules for differentiating inverse function, that is formula application in differential of function after inverse. Fifth one is rules for differentiating logarithm functions, that is 1 by function in differential of respective functions. Okay. In this, I had taken one sum. That is, in the I had explained now. Here there are 2 types of functions are taken. One is trigonometric function, and another one is logarithmic function. Here the differential problem is given as y is equal to sine to the power of 4 and log of e power 2x plus 5. Here sine to the power of 4x cube minus 6x plus 11 is called as u, and log of e power 2x plus 5 is called as v. Here it is in the, before solving any problem, you should understand what format it is available. It is in the u by v form. Then what is the derivative for dy by dx? That is v into du by dx minus u into du by dx by v square. Now we have to differentiate u. U is what? Sine to the power of 4 x cube minus 6x plus 11. Du by dx is what? First differential of power. What I mentioned, I have just shown out. What is the rules applied for differentiating trigonometric function? Differential of power into differential of base and differential of angle. This only I have to apply now. See here, what is the power? 4 is the power. What is the differential of x power n? Nx n minus 1. So 4 into sine cube of x cube minus 6x plus 1. Now the differential of power is over. The base is what? Sine of x cube minus xx plus 11. So for this, I had given the derivatives. What is the derivatives formulas? I'll tell you now. What is the differential of sin x I mentioned? Cos x. Okay. Based on that, see what is first. Power is over. Now base. Sin x differential is cos x. So that's why cos of x cube minus 6x plus 11 into angle. Angle is what? X cube minus 6x plus 11. Before this, you should know the fundamentals. What is the fundamental? What is the rules applied for applying differentiating algebraic function? Differential of power into differential of base. See here. Now what I am doing? See here it is 3x x cube minus 6x plus 11 is what? Algebraic function. Power is not there. So differentiate the base. That's why 3x square minus 6 into 1. Difference of 11 is 0. That's why it is considered as A. Now, what do you come to understand? Now du by dx is successfully over. Then after this, what we have to do? We have to differentiate v. V is what? Log of e power 2x plus 5. So here you see what I have written. dv by dx. What is the meaning of dv by dx? That is differential of v with respect to x. This is only very, very important. V is what? V is actually what function? V is actually logarithmic function. So before this, you should know the rules. What is the rules applied for logarithmic function? See, 1 by function into differential of respective function. See here. Now what is here? V is what? Log of e power 3x plus 5. It's a logarithmic function. What I am telling? 1 by function. That's why 1 by e power 2x plus 5. 1 by function is over. Then after that what I am telling? In the difference of respective function. Respective function means it denotes e power 2x plus 5. So for this also you want to understand what is meant by e power 2x plus 5. E power 2x plus 5 belongs to exponential family. So what is the rule is telling? Same function in differential of power. See, now 1 by function is over. But after that what I am telling you, differentiate e power 2x plus 5. It is in exponential function. Now what is the rule of exponential function? Write down the function as the same function into differential of power. Power is 2x plus 5. So 2 into 1. Now what is over? dv by dx is over. Now you take our dy by dx. dy by dx what is there? U into dv by dx minus u into dv by dx by v square. So what is v? V is log of e power 2x plus 5. What is our dv by dx? It starts from here to here. Okay? Then minus. Then u. Then into dv by dx. dv by dx is what? Here 2. 2 is substituted by log of e power 2x plus 5 whole square. That's all. No, the sum is completely over. So, student, I completed the sum. So, you please subscribe my video. If you subscribe and press the bell icon so that my new videos will be updated to you. Thank you, student. Fine.